Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to buy a Best Buys card on Amazon. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we post content like this, so to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to buy a Best Buys card on Amazon, first go to your browser and go to the website called Amazon.com. And once you're in Amazon.com, on your search bar type for Best Buy gift card, and after you search for Best Buy gift card, over here as you guys can see, Best Buy gift card email delivery. So you're not gonna physically receive the card, it's gonna deliver it via email, like send the code to you on email. And over here as you guys can see, you can choose the amount of gift card you want, or you can enter a custom amount over here as well, and then enter an email. And after choosing the amount, you can enter the email of the person to whom you want to send it, or you can enter your own email if you want it to be sent to you. I'm gonna enter an email. Now over here it's from me, and you can write a custom message over here as well, and choose the quantity of it and choose the delivery date when you want this to be delivered. Let's choose this date, and after filling up this form you can click on add to cart. Over here it shows the subtotal is $25 because we bought a $25 gift card. Now click on proceed to checkout. Now after choosing the payment method and filling up the payment form correctly and buying the card, you should receive a card on your email on the selected date. So yeah, that's how you buy a Best Buy gift card on Amazon. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.